Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
We entered one market years ago, not knowing all the things we'd know. A customer taught us something new about what value really means to do. A supplier helped us see a way to improve our work another day. And every challenge on the road added strength to what we know. The world becomes a classroom wide for those willing to learn and try. Every board across reveals lessons hidden in the miles. Learning across borders, growing stronger every day. Learning across borders, finding better ways. Every market teaches something, every experience leaves a sign. The firms that learn continuously build advantages over time. Learning across borders. Some lessons came through success, others arrived through tests. A delayed shipment, a change in need, a new competitor to read. Different cultures, different views, different ways to improve. The organizations that listen well turn experience into something real. Knowledge shared becomes capability. Capability creates growth, and growth becomes sustainable when learning never stops. Hey! Learning across borders, growing stronger every day. Learning across borders, finding better ways. Every market teaches something, every experience leaves a sign. The firms that learn continuously build advantages over time. Learning across borders. Learning across borders. The greatest asset isn't always seen. Not factories, products, or machines. It's the knowledge gathered through the years, from customers, partners, and peers. A lesson learned in one location may improve another operation, and every insight carried home makes the organization stronger. Learning across the borders. The journey